Hi everyone, my name is Queen Ndlovu. I'm the CEO and the co-founder of QP Drone Tech. I'm delighted to be this year's Airwards judge. This has been an amazing journey for me. One was very lucky to be exposed to these high-tech drone technologies globally. Airwards promotes the positive use of drones globally. This is an initiative I truly believe in. The entrances and the project were truly amazing. It has been a joy to evaluate some of the winners. I'm about to announce the winner. The winner under the category Defense, Security and Surveillance is Vizgard Ltd. under the title Platform Agonistic AI Toolkit. Well done, congratulations.
Hi, my name's Alex Keogh and I'm the CEO of Vizgard. We're absolutely thrilled to have won the Defence, Security and Surveillance Award and humbled to have been considered alongside outstanding companies promoting positive drone use. Vizgard's mission is to build a safer future with AI-powered solutions that search and defend. We do that by providing OEMs state-of-the-art capability such as detection and tracking and face redaction. Thanks again to the Airwards team. We can't wait to show you what Vizgard has in store.